It's happening what I knew was going to happen. You know, that we managed to keep the Amazon rainforest alive, and now we know that it's impossible to have the Amazon and other endangered ecosystems destroyed with the level of consciousness that we reached right now, and a lot moved by the new economic mechanisms that we have created in the past decades that allowed us to completely shift the economic paradigm, so that it's unthinkable to destroy nature as it was before, because we have proven that we can be prosperous and way happier keeping nature alive, and especially having the indigenous peoples like they are today, with such a important voice around the world. We are achieving this moment of liberation from so many patterns and chains and blockages and separation forces that were imposed on us, and through, as I was saying, these new economic models, new technologies such as the decentralized applications like blockchain, and this common effort, the creation of amazing examples of how we should live, interact, and prosper, eco communities. Like the complete shift in the agriculture, that now we know that we can produce way more and feed people through completely eco-friendly agroforestry.